Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best HHA is probably one of the most innovative gadgets to hit the market this year. It's designed to simplify your daily routine, offering a seamless blend of style and functionality. From its sleek design to its user-friendly interface, this product promises to revolutionize the way you interact with technology. Stay tuned as we dive deep into its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Improvia Bed Pad with 8 handles. When a loved one is in need, lean on this pad by Improvia. It's a dual-purpose underpad and bed positioning pad with handles. This provides reliable assistance to make your job easier. This waterproof mattress protector helps keep them comfy and reduces skin irritation. It has a soft top layer, absorbent padding, and a moisture-wicking center that dries in 10 minutes. This non-slip, washable bed pad for the elderly or bedridden has 8 reinforced handles. It helps relieve pressure in your back and arms as you shift or transfer up to 400 pounds. This eco-conscious incontinence pad for the bed can hold 12 ounces of fluid without feeling soggy. It is reusable up to 500 times, and you can just toss it in a washing machine. Let us help you care for your loved one with OEKOTX standard bedridden and elderly assistance products by Improvia. We are honored to play a role in your home care journey. What we like. This pad features quick-drying technology, ensuring comfort and reducing skin irritation. It also has 8 reinforced handles, making it easier to lift and transfer patients. If you are caring for someone who needs assistance with positioning or has incontinence issues, this pad is a great choice. Its durable and washable design offers both convenience and long-term value. What people say. This is a heavy-duty bed pad that performs well. It launders well and provides a very good water-resistant barrier. The handles are very well made and placed in positions that provide easy patient position changes. The handles are sturdy and well spaced, the pad is thick and the fabric on both sides is soft and very nice quality, and the pad doesn't slip on sheets as much as the chucks we've used. The nylon reinforced handles are very durable, the pad is very thick and comfortable without being bulky, it's super easy for one or more people to use to move people. Number 4. HHA 2500 Sight Light, Black. This sight light is designed to help you shoot in any lighting condition. It is perfect for those who enjoy shooting outdoors. With this, you can be sure to hit your target. The package height of the product is 3.05 centimeters. The package length is 17.27 centimeters, and the width is 9.14 centimeters. It is compact and easy to carry around. This is the HHA 2500 Sight Light, in black. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable sight light. You will not regret to have it. It is very easy to use. You can quickly and easily install it on your equipment. It is designed to be user-friendly. The product is made of high-quality materials. It is built to last and withstand the rigors of regular use. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. This sight is designed to perform in any lighting condition. It is built with durable materials. If you are an archer who needs a reliable sight for various environments, this is a great choice. Its robust design ensures it can withstand the rigors of the field. What people say. It fits the tetra, it is bright, it is well constructed, it turns on and off easily. It lights up the fiber optic like it is broad daylight and works really well inside a blind. The output of this light is fully adjustable, which I was worried about because I like mine just barely visible. Number 3. Alpine Innovation Sight Slicker, Bow Sight Protector. Introducing the Sight Slicker from Alpine Innovations. This is designed to keep your bow sight safe. It's easy to use and perfect for any archery hunt. The Sight Slicker protects your sight pins from impact and debris. It shields the optics from dust, scratches, and accidental bumps. This ensures they stay clean and undamaged. It features a quick-draw cord with an auto-locking fit. The adjustable cord automatically locks in place. There are no knots, clips, or noisy Velcro needed. The Sight Slicker is designed for fast, distraction-free access. The integrated pull tab allows for quick, single-handed removal. This helps you stay focused in the moment. The medium size fits most standard bow sights. It's compatible with sight housings measuring 2 to 3 inches in diameter and 1.5 to 2 inches deep. It's perfect for most compound bow setups. A large size is also available for bigger sight housings. It fits sights with 2 to 3 inch diameter and 2 to 3 inch depth. This is ideal for extended sight models or larger hunting rigs. What we like. This sight cover protects your bow sight from impacts and debris. It features a quick draw cord with an auto-locking fit for secure use. If you are an archer looking to protect your sight and ensure quick access in the field, this cover is ideal. Its easy application and silent removal make it perfect for hunting scenarios. What people say. It fits nice and snugly and covers the sight from any possible impacts. This item fits perfectly and does a great job. Fits my sight perfectly. Number 2. HHA SC Neoprene Sight Cover. Introducing the HHA SC Sight Cover. This cover is designed to protect your archery sight from the elements. It's a must-have accessory for any archer. The SC cover is designed to fit all HHA archery sights. It's made from durable neoprene material, ensuring a snug and secure fit. This cover will keep your sight safe. The model number is SC. This means it's specifically designed for HHA sights. You can be sure it will fit perfectly and provide the protection you need. The package dimensions are compact, making it easy to store and transport. The cover is lightweight and won't add unnecessary bulk to your gear. It's convenient and practical. Get your HHA SC sight cover today and protect your investment. It's easy to use and provides peace of mind. This is a great addition to your archery equipment. What we like. This sight cover is made of neoprene and designed to fit all HHA archery sights. It provides protection for your sight. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to protect your HHA sight, this cover is a great choice. Its universal fit ensures compatibility with your equipment. What people say. Fits my optimizer ultra light great. Magnetic flaps are strong and hold great. If you have the HHA Lens Kit, this cover is a must-have. It fits my optimizer light perfectly. It have a magnetic attachment to make removal easy. This cover fit my HHA King pin perfectly and magnetic secure, making it easy. Had no issues falling off while in ATV rack and kept it clean from dirt. Number 1. HHA Lens Kit B, 4X. Introducing the HHA Lens Kit B, 4X. This kit is designed to enhance your shooting experience. It's a great addition for both 3D courses and hunting. This lens kit is compatible with head sights that have a 1.58-inch sight housing. Please note that it excludes the 3000 series. It's easy to install and use. The kit features a 4X clear lens. This lens provides a clear and magnified view of your target. It will help you see better. This lens kit is perfect for both 3D courses and hunting. It will help you to improve your accuracy. You'll find it to be a valuable tool in the field. With the HHA Lens Kit B, 4X, you'll experience improved clarity and accuracy. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Get yours today. What we like. This lens kit includes a 4X clear lens, enhancing your sight's performance. It is designed to fit sights with a 1.58-inch housing. If you are looking to improve your accuracy on the 3D course or during hunts, this lens kit is an excellent upgrade. Its clear optics will help you see your target more clearly. What people say. Fit on my hot tetrasight without much trouble. When paired with a clarifier, it did wonders for being able to see my target. Made shooting 60 seem like shooting 40. I was looking for a way to sharpen the view of my target some, and this lens works great. It was easy to install and easy to get used to. Helped tighten up my groups. Easy to install and really helped my eyes to get a clear pin view each time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.